When the first ray of morning sunlight appears, everything is flourishing. In this vibrant land of China, Meishan technology is gaining new vitality. From the traditional adhesive cable industry to new energy vehicle batteries, from oriented silicon steel to the food and pharma industries, MgO is a non-toxic and odorless white powder. It is equivalent to industrial MSG. It is similar to the effect of salt on the human body and the role of rare earth in the military industry. It is widely used in new energy vehicle batteries, grain-oriented silicon steel, food and pharma applications, 5G base stations, electronic ceramics, mobile phone glass, aerospace, military, and other high-tech new materials fields. 30 years ago, there were only a few domestic MgO production companies. This led to China's over-reliance on importing MgO. With the rapid expansion of overseas MgO production capacity, the import and export pattern of MgO has undergone tremendous changes. The development of China's MgO industry is facing severe challenges. Meishan technology was born in response to the times. We invest in the construction of national economic development, from importing from abroad to import substitution. Meishan technology is oriented to meet the core needs of customers. We focus on product research and development. We lead the development of the enterprise. Until now, we have developed 300 varieties to apply to more than 1,800 users in hundreds of industries.